so I can get all the eggs. Okay, the shark stole the giant eggs. Now we need to try to find them because he stole them. So let me go find the shark and find the eggs. Here's the shark. So I can get all the eggs. Got one. It's there. Two.
A few moments later.
I can't believe I rescued all the eggs. Now, break it down on the got this putty, so I'll open it later. Whoa! That's a tattoo. These are stickers. And there's a lion. Let's open it and see what I got. Okay, yeah. That is Super Ryan. Like that. Then I put on a spade. Can you float? Yes, you can float. Yo, look. It's floating. It's flying. But it's hot. No, let's try that. So, first, oh, this is a ball. A ball. A combo ball. No. I got those. Now to open up the secret body. Connect. Got it. That's awesome! Look! I'm gonna open that when I get a box. No, this one. That the same tattoos as last time. No, not the same. Different. I got that. Then this. I forgot that. Mystery putty. Not yet, but I'm more than today. Good one. Good one. That's a good one. Regular Ryan. Does he throw? That's my question. He does move. How about wings? Yeah, he still floats. That's cool. Oh. Hello. Now. I got one that says Ryan's World. Look, that's my question. It's doors. Oh, this door's closed. Okay. Now my cardiac's open. Sorry. Like I said, the same one. Same one. That's okay. Last egg. I hope I don't get the same penny. If I do, that would be awesome. But I want to give it a different. Crack it like Ryan. Honey. Crack it like Ryan. Same one? No. Not the same ones. But the stickers. No, different. Oh. Crack them up. Oh. What the heck? These are Build Ryans. Build a Ryan. That's what they mean by Build a Ryan. See, like, office. Oh! Okay, that scared me. I went to here. That's weird. That's weird. I didn't have this one out. So I got this one doesn't float. Yes, it does. All the lines float. Wait, where's the... The same ball as the one that says Ryan World. Same one as one that says Ryan World. Now, Eddie, please don't be the same. If it is, I'll be happy. But I feel like going something else. I think it's going to be the same. Same. No different. This is black putty. Black putty. Okay, good thing I beat the shark and got all these eggs. And I'll show you what I got when I out of the water and when I get my hotel room. So, make sure to subscribe and turn notifications.